Sneaky Linux back in the house. We're back in Puppy Linux 8 Bionic Pup 64. So this evening, this is going to be a really short one for you. Now, if you're new to Puppy, you're going to be a bit perplexed about how and where it does stuff, okay? So as you can see, I've got a new desktop background, and you're going to say to me, well, where do I find them? Where do I go? Okay. Step 1, okay? There we are. This is where my video has been recorded. And here's my downloads, and there's nothing in my downloads, okay? Because I've not downloaded any, apart from this one, and I've deleted it. It's just in my folder. But how do you find where to go? Okay, this is for new users. If you've done it before, you know where to go. But if you're new to Puppy, you don't know where to go. So, I just clicked on the wrong one. Don't do that. What an idiot. But what we need to do, because I'm being such an idiot, is go to the menu, and we go to desktop, and we go to the JWN Desk Manager. Now, most of you who've been using Puppy for a while will know this, but this is just for new people who just want to give it a go. So if you go to backgrounds, and there's all my backgrounds, and there's the ones I've downloaded, okay? So that's the one we're using now. Got that one there, which is big, and then we've got dark grey, Lear, Vincent, light grey, Material Mountain, pink, purple, Sky, SGV, VG, and Vincent, okay? So you want to get a new one, okay? You fancy a new one, a free and easy to use one, okay? That's not going to break any laws. I'm going to open a browser here. And tonight we're going to be using Fire of the Fox, okay? I've just updated it all and everything. It actually auto-updates in Puppy anyway, so don't worry about it. Okay, there goes your screen. Now, for super duper ones, we're going to go to Pexels, because most of them are free here. But do be careful, they do have sponsored ads. So I've put in puppies, okay? We want to find a puppy, don't we, yeah? Let's go and find a puppy that we like. That's not going to cost us anything. That's not a puppy. That's a puppy. That's on Pixabay. I don't like the look of that. That sounds like pay, okay? But normally when you see a name next to it, it's a photographer that's actually took the picture and he don't mind you using it, okay? So, oh, that looks quite cute, doesn't it? Helena Lopez. Let's click on him, or her. And we're going to scroll down slightly. It's free to use. Let's look at the info. Okay. Free to use, no attribution required. Learn more about the license? We'll click on there. For free for commercial and non-commercial use. That's good for me, so we're allowed to use that. No problem. We haven't got to give anybody any names, and now it's gone. Okay. So we want to download that. I use Pexels for a simple reason. It's free and you ain't going to get yourself into trouble. So we're going to click on here. Or obviously you could right click there, but we're going to go to free download, and the size we want is that one. I do the large one. Don't need too big a file, do we? So we download the photo. Okay. What do I do? I want to save to file. Okay. It's saving to file. Up here in Firefox, obviously, it tells you where it's downloaded to. So we're done. So now I'm going to come out of that. Okay. So yeah. What do we do? So here's our downloads folder. But we need to put that in a different folder. Now, the good thing about Rock's File Manager, it's so easy and quick to use. You can have multiple windows open all the time. So I'm going to open it again. Now I want to find this here. User, share and backgrounds. Okay? User, share and background. That's where all your stuff is. But there's no user on here. So if I click on the eye, so I'm going to look a bit more. You could be here for some time. The easiest way, go back up. Users there. Super duper. We click on user, then we want to go to share, then find backgrounds. There. And there we are. What you can do now in Puppy, see how quick it is, even on old machines, we can actually drag that over and put it in there. Okay, we're going to copy that over. It's done. Don't need to do any more. I can close that. I can close that. And it's there already. Do I want that? You know what? Yeah, of course I want it. I'm going to apply that. And there we are. But that doesn't look right, does it? Because it's scaled, okay? So should we stretch that? That looks a bit better. Apply that. And we can quit. It's as easy as that. Nothing else required. People say Puppy Linux is hard to use. It's not. You just got to use a bit of common sense, is what we call it, common sense. Yeah, I like it. A lot of people like it all around the world. It's not to your liking. No big deal. No big deal. So that's how we get our backgrounds in to the background folder. Go and have a play. Sneaky Linux out. See you later. Bye-bye.